Hi, friends. It's me, Prisha the Explorer. Today, I'm going to tell you about a special festival called Chhath Puja. Have you heard of it? It's a beautiful celebration from India, especially in places like Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Let's dive in and explore its story together. Chhath Puja is all about giving thanks to the sun god, Surya, and his sister, Chhath Maya. People believe that the sun god brings us life, energy, and light every day. And Chhath Maya is known to protect families and bless them with good health and happiness. A long time ago, there was a king named King Kana. He was a great warrior who loved helping people. He prayed to the sun god, Surya, to get strength and wisdom. When Surya blessed him, King Kana started doing Chhath Puja to show his gratitude and respect for the sun's kindness. Another story says that even Lord Rama and Goddess Sita prayed to the sun god after they returned home from their adventures. They wanted to thank Surya for his blessings and celebrate life, which is why they celebrated Chhath Puja. Did you know that Chhath Puja is a beautiful festival celebrated over 4 days? Each day has a special name and unique meaning. Let's explore each one together. Nahai Khaya, on the first day, everyone cleans their homes and eats delicious, simple food like bottled gourd vegetables and rice and dal. This day is all about getting ready for the festival and starting it with a pure heart. Kana or Lawanda, on the second day, people fast all day without even a sip of water. In the evening, they break their fast with a yummy meal made like chapati and kheer with love, sharing it with family and friends. Sandhya Arghya, the third day, is super special. Families go to rivers or ponds in the evening to offer prayers to the setting sun. It's a beautiful sight, with everyone standing in the water, holding trays filled with fruits, sweets, and flowers. Usha Arghya, on the fourth and final day, everyone wakes up early to thank the rising sun. It's the last prayer of Chhath Puja, and families gather to wish for happiness, health, and blessings. They also sing beautiful songs and light lamps, making everything look shiny and magical. It's a time when families come together, eat delicious food, and share love and joy with each other. So that's the story of Chhath Puja. It's all about being grateful, celebrating family, and respecting nature. I hope you enjoyed learning about it with me. If you liked this story, don't forget to subscribe to join me on more fun adventures. Until next time, friends. Bye bye. Happy Chhath Puja.